Using Mastercard abroad? Planning a trip and wondering if your Mastercard will actually work abroad? Quick answer, yes. And here's how to make it seamless. Mastercard is widely accepted at hotels, shops, restaurants, transit gates, and online. But tiny vendors in rural spots can be cash only, so keep a little local currency on you. Bring a backup card, usually Visa, in case one network is down or a terminal is picky. Before you fly, check your bank's foreign transaction fee. 0 to 3% is common. And consider a no FTF card for daily buys. Set or confirm your chip and PIN. Some ticket kiosks and petrol stations require a PIN. For ATMs, use reputable bank machines and withdraw with a debit card when possible to avoid cash advance interest. At checkout, always pay in the local currency and decline dynamic currency conversion to dodge bad exchange rates. Enable travel notifications if your bank still uses them. Keep your app push alerts on and make sure you can receive 3D secure codes. With a ready Mastercard and a solid backup, you'll glide through payments and focus on the fun.